Hello, folks. Here's the review for the Fantasy Coloring Pages PLR. Now, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of coloring books and turn your creativity into cash? Well, the mammoth collection of 500 plus fantasy coloring pages with PLR rights is your ultimate solution. This extensive collection provides you with high-quality, unique coloring pages and empowers you to create and sell your own coloring books. With this package, you can start making money online almost immediately. My rating, 5 out of 5. Now, this product includes 6 comprehensive bonuses designed by Trevor Carr and his team. However, when you purchase the mammoth collection of 500 plus fantasy coloring pages through this link, you'll receive a special free bonus that complements your purchase. This bonus is designed to enhance your ability to create and sell coloring books, giving you even more value for your investment. I call it the ultimate guide to selling coloring books online. Now, this bonus report provides actionable strategies and insights for successfully selling your coloring books online. Now, Trevor Carr and his team have a proven track record in the PLR industry, having built a multi-billion-dollar business from a single piece of PLR. Now, their expertise shines through in this collection, which has been meticulously created from scratch to ensure high quality and uniqueness. You can trust that you're getting a valuable resource that can help you succeed. Now, why should you buy this product anyway? Well, coloring pages are incredibly popular, especially among kids, and the demand is only growing. Investing in this collection gives you access to over 500 beautifully crafted fantasy coloring pages that come with unrestricted PLR rights. This means you can sell them as they are, bundle them into books, or use them as bonuses to boost your affiliate commissions. The potential for profit is immense. Now, the positives and the negatives about this program is that they are, from a positive perspective, it's an extensive collection with over 500 fantasy coloring pages. You have a wealth of content to work with. This variety allows you to cater to different tastes and preferences. You also get high quality images. All images are created from scratch, ensuring you receive unique and high quality JPG files or JPEG files all ready for use. You get unrestricted PLR rights. So you have complete control over how you use these images, whether for personal projects or to sell to customers. And you get exclusive bonuses. Besides my bonus, the package includes 6 amazing bonuses, such as additional coloring pages, training on how to sell coloring books, and one-on-one support. And they're very easy to use. The images are fully resizable, making it simple to create coloring books in any kind of format you desire. But there are a couple of negatives. One relates to the initial learning curve. For those who are new to selling coloring books, there may be a slight learning curve in understanding how to market effectively. However, the included training will guide you through that process. And perhaps market competition. Well, coloring books and the niche is hot, it can be quite competitive. So with unique images and effective marketing strategies, though, you can stand out among your crowd. So in conclusion, The mammoth collection of 500 plus fantasy coloring pages with PLR rights is an incredible opportunity for anyone looking to dive into the world of coloring books. With high-quality images, unrestricted PLR rights, and a wealth of bonuses, you have everything you need to start making money online. So don't miss out on this chance to turn your creativity into cash. Click the buy button in the description below and do it now and take advantage of the amazing offer that is presented to you. And remember my rating, 5 out of 5. And don't forget my bonus, that although you receive 6 comprehensive bonuses designed by Trevor Carr and his team, I'm providing you with a new bonus that is created specifically for this product. It's called the Ultimate Guide to Selling Coloring Books Online. This bonus report provides actionable strategies and insights for successfully selling your coloring books online. Now, thank you for listening, folks, and we'll see you next time.